to ensure perfect cleanliness. After cutting into pieces, they are put into the machine for packing. This machine helps the product to keep its freshness when it reaches the consumer. The Axis Cake Production Line is a fully automatic baking production system that provides accurate and efficient dough shaping and shaping for cakes from 3 inches to 10 inches in diameter. With speeds up to 30 cycles per minute, up to 120 cakes per minute in smaller sizes, this line ensures optimum productivity for you. The system is equipped with a descaling tray mounted on the conveyor frame, which automatically descales and places the cake boxes on the sorting conveyor for transport to the Axis LD depositor. The tray dimming time can be flexibly programmed via the control HMI, allowing the tray size information to be stored. The dosing roller is controlled by the pressure sensor in the low pump, which ensures accurate graduations with volume error less than 2%. Axis LD depositors are designed for gentle product extrusion, minimizing powder overwork. Whether you want to produce traditional or handmade baked goods, Axis will provide the right solution for you. NewCap Automatic Cake Production Line is an advanced and efficient system that brings many tangible benefits to the automatic cake production process. With a combination of modern technology and automated processes, NewCap delivers high accuracy, speed, and reliability. With high working speed and continuous operation, it is possible to produce large quantities of cakes in a short time. Automated processes and harmonious interaction between online devices optimize efficiency and reduce the time required to produce cakes from settling, mixing, and shaping to baking. With the precise control system, the machine is capable of shaping and cutting the cake according to the required size and shape. This gives you In addition to black bears and wild wolves, the damage to agriculture cannot overlook the impact of white-tailed deer, which causes significant harm to American farmers greater than wild boars. They often invade agricultural areas and feed on crop leaves such as rice, corn, beans, and various types of vegetables. They nibble on any part of the crops, causing significant losses in crop yields. Facing a ferocious herd of deer with such sharp antlers, using nets is not feasible. The best method is to use hunting techniques to control them. The black bear, a common wild animal in North America, typically weighs between 199 pounds and 662 pounds. Breeding usually occurs in spring, with a gestation period lasting about 6 to 9 months, and mother bears give birth to 1 to 4 cubs. They become a problem when they frequently appear and cause damage to corn fields. These black bears not only cause damage to crops, but also frequently create havoc in the surrounding homes. Damaging water containers, electrical boxes and more. The loin. This worker is separating the pig's tail from the ham. 2 hams from each pig yield 28 pounds of meat. Additionally, 2 loins of each pig yield 23 pounds of meat. Skilled craftsmen separate the skins of each pig by hand. Each worker is responsible for skinning each part of the pig. Depending on the pig's face, the worker makes the bacon, or the fresh side, which will total about 23 pounds. There's a certain amount of meat that will be produced from each rib, rump, back fat, and jaw bone, which can produce 7 pounds, 11 pounds, 10 pounds, 22 pounds, and 4 pounds of meat respectively. The pork is put on the meat cutter's machine line to make it smaller pieces. Through the meat cutter machine, the pork goes into small pieces to the conveyor. Through the conveyor, the pork falls into the mincing machine. Salt is then sprinkled over the minced pork, which enters the mixing tank through a mixing line where the minced pork is evenly mixed with the salt. Then the minced pork comes out through the production line. From there, minced pork is fed into the special machine, which turns the minced pork into. The minced pork bars are then packaged. These packages are then labeled with the company name, manufacturer date, expiration date, weight,